Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tap back with another video. And today we're talking about the keto diet. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of research on keto diet. I've been taking a lot of coconut oil keto diet, but I transitioned to, MCT oil. MCT oil is what coconut oil is half of, but MCT oil is supposed to have you burn more fat. Okay, so I bought this. It's called Now Sports MCT oil 1,000 milligrams from Amazon. I think it was $10, really cheap. You get 150 soft gels in the bottle, and this is my review. I've been taking it for about 2 weeks now. So I take this in the morning. I usually skip breakfast. I get a nice dinner. I eat 2 meals a day. I skip breakfast. I take 3 of these in the morning, and during the morning, I do feel more energy. I think I burn a little more weight with this MCT oil. I really haven't weighed myself, but I tell I'm a little bit, slimmer down from taking it. I take this with coconut oil in the morning, and I take a shot of apple cider vinegar in the morning as well. So I don't eat lunch until 1 o'clock. So I get up at 6:30, eat lunch at 1:30. So it's in my system for 4 to 5 hours. So some mornings I do eat breakfast. Some days I don't. Out of 5 day week, I might eat breakfast twice during the week. 3 days a week I skip breakfast. But for breakfast I eat an omelet, with egg, cheese, with some spinach, onions, and some bacon. So it's still keto friendly. So I take these every morning. I take 3 in the morning. I might take 2 from when we to work. Eat 2, I guess before I eat lunch, and I take maybe two or three when I get home. I don't take it late at night because it does give you a little bit of energy. I want to stay up, okay? And it worked pretty well. It works pretty good. I'll buy this brand again to go on the cheap side. If I'm on the cheap side, they don't want a lot of money on it. Cause I do have coconut oil as well. I'll buy this brand. Look at the back of this. The service size is 3 soft gels in the service size, and you get 3,000 milligrams of MCT oil, medium chain triglycerides from coconut. Now, suggested use. It says here take 3 soft gels up to 5 times daily with food. So that's a lot of pills to take in one day. I'm talking about taking 3 of these soft gels 5 times a day. I take maybe 6 a day. And, you get 120, 150. So you got a nice bunch, but if you take 15 of these, 3, 6, 9, 12, you're going to burn this out in like 2, 3 weeks, taking this much. I don't know if you can see these. I'm not sure you can see these pills, but they're clear, like coconut oil almost. Coconut oil is a little bit more whiter. They're really clear, like fish oil to me. Really clear. Camera fell. Really clear, really clear MCT oil. And does it work? Yes. Is it worth the money? Yes. There are better MCT oils and there's worse MCT oils. This is not bad at all. It does help suppress my appetite as well. Again, I take this with apple cider vinegar in the morning. I take apple cider vinegar, I take black seed oil, and I take this oil and coconut oil some mornings. So it's kind of like I haven't took it by myself. Some days I took it by myself. I was a little hungry. Some days I took other stuff to help me prolong me eating. But it works. If you want some cheap MCT oil, I'm not a coffee drinker. I can't pour the liquid kind in my coffee and drink it anymore. I don't drink coffee. So if you're not a coffee drinker, you could take this instead. Very cheap. Below this video, I have a link to Amazon. The price might have changed, but the link is my affiliate link. It will take you to Amazon where you can look at it yourself, and the price that I believe is like $10. $10.49. I may be wrong, but it's a cheap MCT oil, and it works. Okay, so that's my video for today. Any questions about this MCT oil or keto in general? And I will do a video next couple of days, my keto diet, how well is it going, how much weight I lost, how do I feel. And I'll take a little review now. Still in the keto diet, it's going great. I don't see myself quitting the diet no time soon. My knee feels 100% better. I sleep better. I have energy throughout the day. I get 4 hours of sleep, and I go to work with full of energy. I'm never tired. And I ate Thanksgiving just passed 2 months ago, and it's hard on keto. So one thing I did do was I did 1 meal a day. I didn't have breakfast. I just ate what I want for Thanksgiving, and I didn't have nothing that night. So with keto, you can manipulate your body. You can manipulate what you eat. If you want to eat a bad meal, eat the bad meal, but have that meal for your 1 meal a day, because that 1 meal lasts me until the next day. So my body wants some carbs and sugar hits my body. Since I've eaten so long, it's going to burn that energy up to keep me going. So I ate dinner around, we ate Thanksgiving around 3:30 to 4 o'clock. So around 8, 9 o'clock, I'm still good and it's burning carbs and energy because I'm not putting that carbs back in my body. I ate what I wanted to eat, and I still didn't gain no weight. I didn't gain no weight. I still felt great. And that's why I love the keto diet. The keto diet, once your body gets used to burning fat and not the carbs and sugar, once your body gets carbs and sugar, it's going to burn that fast. It's going to stop burning your fat, but it's going to burn the sugar and carbs. As long as you're not keep putting, it's when you keep eating carbs and sugar is when you start gaining weight. But eating some bread once a week, no, I'd say that maybe once every 2 weeks is not going to hurt you, in my opinion, because my body is going to burn them carbs first. It's when I'm constantly eating carbs. But that's a whole nother video for a whole nother topic. This is about the MCT oil. Take the MCT oil in the morning, take with apple cider vinegar, take with black seed oil, coconut oil with it, and it will help burn fat. Also, one quick note, MCT oil will help you get in ketosis faster and more efficient because there's more energy for your liver to burn all those carbs and sugar. So it's time for the xking.com. Thanks for watching my video and see you next time.